I am pleased to introduce a cutting-edge component from Schaeffler, the new line of NOx sensors from Vitesco Technologies. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy green and white box, a hallmark of Schaeffler's commitment to quality and sustainability. Vitesco is a Tier 1 leader supplying NOx sensors to the OEM market, the market's only smart sensor with state-of-the-art self-calibration, sensor self-diagnosis with aging compensation specifically calibrated to each OEM engine platform. The NOx sensor combines the trusted expertise of original equipment manufacturers to deliver precise nitrogen oxide measurement, essential for effective emission control. Engineered to OEM quality standards with perfect fit, function, and design, it ensures easy plug-and-play installation and a service life matching the original part's reliability. Let's look at the details. The part is packaged in a sealed, static shielding bag with desiccant to maintain stability and prevent contamination throughout distribution. Here is the sensing element. Each sensor is individually calibrated for high accuracy. Next, the silicone-coated wiring harness, designed for greater durability and service life. And finally, the customer-specific connector.
Installation is simple and straightforward.
Schaeffler's sensor program offers more than 120 part numbers, covering over 600 OEM references, for both heavy-duty and light commercial vehicles. It covers the most important diesel applications on the market. You can find the references in our Schaeffler Vehicle Lifetime Solutions aftermarket catalog.
Some recommendations for handling NOx sensors.
Do not remove the protective cap until just before installation, and only if the sensor will be installed within the next 10 minutes. Do not touch the sensor head. Avoid thermal or mechanical shocks. Do not expose the sensor to any liquids. Also ensure that the installation environment is suitable, clean, and free of contaminants such as dust. Mount the NOx sensor using clean, dry, and undamaged tools. Screw tightening is only allowed with a torque wrench. These sensors complement Schaeffler's aftermarket portfolio with high-quality components. You can find more information on our portal, repexpert.com. Thank you for your attention.